Today we're breaking down the best and worst Ford Ranger model years to buy used, based on reliability, maintenance costs, common problems, owner reviews, and long-term value. From the bulletproof older Rangers to the newer models with hidden issues, we'll cover everything you need to know before signing the paperwork. Whether you're looking for a cheap daily driver, an off-road ready pickup, or a reliable work truck that won't leave you stranded, this guide could save you thousands of dollars. Make sure to watch until the end, because one of the popular Ford Ranger years on the used market is actually a massive mistake most buyers never see coming. Let's get into the Ford Ranger best year to buy used, and the years you should avoid at all costs. Years and generations to avoid. Based on reliability reports and common issues, the primary Ford Ranger years to avoid are 1999 to 2002, 2004 to 2006, 2011, and 2019. These specific years are notorious for significant transmission failures and timing chain issues on the 4.0-liter engines. Choosing one of these can lead to first-year production kinks or aging mechanical failures that result in very expensive repair bills. Looking closer at the timeline, the 1999 to 2002 third generation is frequently cited for severe transmission problems and engine defects. Specifically, the 4.0-liter SOHC engine in these years is known for timing chain guide failures, which is a massive job to fix. Moving up, the 2004 to 2006 models were often plagued by fuel system issues and numerous recalls, while the 2011 model, the final year of the old compact platform, suffered from widespread transmission problems. Even the 2019 return of the Ranger had teething issues, including jerky gear changes and a major recall for a loose shift cable bracket. Why avoid them? Ford Rangers from the 1999 to 2002, 2004 to 2006, and 2019 plus eras are often avoided due to chronic issues with transmission failure, engine malfunctions, and electrical faults. On average, these repairs can cost you about $1,340. Owners frequently report transmission jerking, hesitation, and oil pump failures that can leave you stranded. To be specific, there are 3 red flags you need to watch for. First is transmission failure, which is common in early 2000s models and some 2019 units. Second is the 4.0-liter SOHC timing chain, which is prone to breaking at high mileage in 1999 to 2003 models. Finally, frame rust is a common enemy across many older pre-2012 models, especially if the truck lived in the Rust Belt, where roads are salted. Summary of major concerns. When we look at the big picture, especially for the 2019 to 2025 models, the concerns shift a bit. There is an urgent recall for 2022 to 2025 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engines due to manufacturing defects that could lead to engine failure. We also see common complaints about the 10-speed automatic transmission hesitating or shifting roughly, along with vibrations at high speeds. Other modern issues to keep an eye on include turbo and intercooler failures, as well as potential EGR or DPF issues. You might also run into some electronic gremlins that affect the infotainment system or the forward collision avoidance technology, which can sometimes be more of a headache than a help. Worst year, Ford Ranger. The worst Ford Ranger years to avoid are primarily 1999 to 2002, 2004 to 2006, and 2019, which are notorious for transmission failures, engine issues, and electrical malfunctions. The 1999 model is frequently cited as the worst due to severe transmission problems, while 2004 to 2006 models suffer from significant 4.0-liter V6 timing chain issues. To recap the common problems to watch for, keep an eye out for sudden transmission failure in 1999 to 2002 models. In 2004 to 2006 units, listen for engine rattles that signal timing chain issues. For the 2019 to 2020 models, there are even reports of stalling and complete engine failure, like snapped timing belts, so always check the service history on these newer used trucks. Warning years, Ford Ranger. Based on owner complaints and recall data, you should either avoid or very thoroughly inspect Rangers from 1999 to 2005, 2008, 2011, and the early new generation 2019 to 2020 models. These years carry a much higher risk of transmission failure, engine timing chain issues, and electrical gremlins that can turn a cheap truck into a money pit very quickly. Most reliable years, Ford Ranger. If you want a Ranger that lasts, the 2009 to 2011 models are generally considered the best of the classic compact generation. For those who want something modern, the 2021 to 2024 models are the way to go. These years offer a perfect blend of durability, lower maintenance costs, and much better reliability ratings overall. The 2009 to 2011 third-generation models are the gold standard because they benefited from years of refinements. They are mechanically simple and very easy to maintain. If you want a modern truck, the 2021 to 2024 models fix the issues found in the 2019 version and offer better tech and durable powertrains. Even the 2007 to 2008 models are solid, especially the 2007 for off-roading, and the 1998 to 2002 generation is still loved by many for being a simple, simple bulletproof little truck. Key considerations for used buyers. Before you sign those papers, there are a few final things to check. It is absolutely critical to verify if the vehicle has any open recalls, especially for the 2019 to 2022 models. You don't want to be stuck with a manufacturing defect that was never fixed. We always recommend consulting detailed reliability guides and reviewing common problems compiled by experts like the Jarrett Automotive Group. Taking the time to research specific issues for the 2019 to 2022 models now can save you thousands of dollars and a lot of stress down the road. Good luck with your search and happy trucking.